Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is RJ and today we are checking out something a lot of you have been asking about, the Viking Bags Pantheon 28 liters saddlebag. I've been testing it out on my Honda Rebel 1100 and I'm ready to give you a full rundown. Is this a perfect saddlebag for long rides or just another bag that looks good but falls short? Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Pantheon 28 liters looks sleek and stylish. It's a hard shell saddlebag with a solid leather finish, giving your bike that premium cruiser look. The stitching is clean and the hardware feels sturdy. Overall, it has a minimal yet robust design. One thing I like about this bag is not too bulky. It's perfectly fit on my bike without taking away from the overall look of the bike. The size feels just right for a 28-liter bag, not too big and not too small. Let's talk about installation next. The Pantheon 28 liters is pretty straightforward to install. It comes along with all the mounting hardware you need, and honestly, I got it on the bike in about 20 minutes. No crazy tools or complex steps. You just mount the bracket and secure the bag, and it's done. Alright, let's talk about functionality. The Pantheon 28 liters gives you a solid amount of storage for weekend trips or if you're just cruising around. The interior is spacious enough to fit a jacket or a helmet or some of the extra clothes you have. It also has an internal pocket for smaller items like your phone, your wallet, or your keys. The bag is divided into a large compartment with some solid organizational options. I like how easy it is to pack and unpack. There's no struggle with zippers or weird angles. Everything just fits. And of course, one of the biggest thing I was looking for was a weather resistance. The bag is waterproof, so no worries if you get caught in the rain. I've ridden in some light rain and everything inside stayed dry thanks to the waterproof liner and the hard shell design. Let's now put the Pantheon Viking saddlebag to the real test, not just in the garage, but on the road. We're going to see how it performs in actual riding conditions, highway speeds, stop and go traffic, how it holds up when fully loaded. review of the Viking Bags Pantheon 28 liters saddlebag. Hopefully you got a better idea of whether this bag is the right fit for your ride. It's durable, sleek, and with that kid lock system, it's perfect for our riders who want both style and security. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, stay stoked, and I'll catch you in the next one.